they clubbing, they chilling, they messing.
One is 5,000. Yes, 5,000.
I see. Are you married? Why are you smiling? How old are you?
I'm 20 years. And my boyfriend said he has no money. So maybe next year.
I want to buy all the soaps.
Why, say? What do you need all these soaps for?
Just want to help you. It's how much?
Please, I haven't calculated. 12,
That is $200.
Hey, for the soap, say.
Would you be my girlfriend?
Please, say, are you not married?
I am, but that is not a problem. My wife is in Europe. That is more than 1.8 million.
Oh.
Come.
With my socks? I should come with my socks.
Don't worry, you will take them back. You treat them good, and you can easily get them. Beware, you are my next victim.
Oh my God, Jesus! Oh, Bernice. So, what did you tell Achiba when he came face to face with Honorable?
They did not meet. But even if they did, I'll tell him Honorable is my uncle.
Okay. Oh. And will he believe it? Won't Honorable behave in a way that will make him suspect something?
You know, Honorable, because of his position, does not misbehave in public.
Oh, okay.
Besides, Achiba has no choice.
Okay.
You know, Bernice, I think it's time you stop seeing that boy. He has no money and he can't help you in any way. I don't see the reason why you still keep hanging around that thing you call Achiba.
This is what I call romantic insurance.
Oh my God.
I'm not going to play this game forever. Whenever I feel like settling down, I'll just fall on him.
Lord have mercy.
He's my future husband. I love him. Besides, he's been my childhood sweetheart.
Girls, we're in trouble.
Yes. Apostle Paul said, when I was a kid, I talked like a kid.
Preach on, girl.
Venice,
Let me tell you, don't be naive. This boy will never marry you. You're just wasting your time on him. And besides, you're too young to be talking about marriage.
Don't talk like that. You are a woman. And one day, you'll get married.
Me? Gloria, marriage. I don't worry myself about the future. It will take care of itself. Let me tell you, right now, what I'm in love with is money. Not a man. If you can afford the price, Gloria is all yours. Love my foot.
Well, girls, for your information, I have a date later tonight. And guess with who? Tell us. The new director of Amanzi Consolidated Mines.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, girl, go for the gold.
Go for it.
Go for love.
Yeah, she's gonna chop love forever.
You are all women. Don't forget.
Oh, please.
One day you'll marry.
Hey, marry the richest man on earth. Not something like, Achiba.
Where is she?
She's in the kitchen.
Ah! I thought as much. She's always in the kitchen. Cooking. Always cooking. Does she want to be a cook? Huh? Does she want to be a cook? Charlotte! Hey. You see? Eating. Eating like a fool. Eating all the time.
Daddy, what do you want me to do for you?
Charlotte, do you want to be a cook? Why are you always in the kitchen? Are those girls better than you?
Which girls?
Don't you see the girls living in this area? Don't you see how they dress and carry themselves?
Those prostitutes.
Are they better than my daughter? But my daughter is always in the kitchen. Cooking, eating, and sleeping. Are they better than you? Huh?
What should I do now?
My daughter, I want you to be like them. I want you to use your body to glorify God.
Shame. Shame on you, Fokojo.
Two.
Shame. Is that the way a Christian father should talk? Those girls are prostitutes.
Look at this old-fashioned woman.
Two. You don't see them changing the men every single day when they are passing by.
My daughter, what is so unchristian about dressing and looking good?
Don't you see those girls changing men every day as they pass here?
Shut up and don't give me that crap. We are talking about looking good and not eating and eating and eating all the time.
Oh, Fokojo.
Look at this old-fashioned woman.
Hey.
What? Oh, Lord have mercy. Hey, what are you saying? I want her to be like that.
Pastor Philip. Yes, doctor. Your wife will be on admission till she delivers.
Doctor, why?
Her condition needs constant monitoring.
Oh my God.
She lost too much blood.
What?
You have to donate blood. She will also need these drugs.
All right, doctor, I'll get these drugs for you as early as possible.
Pastor.
Oh, good morning, Auntie. How are you?
I'm fine, no, Pastor. But I have a problem I would like to discuss with you, please.
What is it, Auntie?
My husband is doing something in the house and I don't understand it at all.
What is it, ma'am?
I mean, can you believe that Fokojo is pestering Charlotte to go and join those Ashawo girls?
You don't mean it, Auntie?
I don't understand it. I mean, I don't even believe it. That Charlotte should go and join those Ashawo girls. I mean, I'm very concerned. I'm very disturbed, Pastor. And I'll be very grateful if you can talk to him for me.
All right, Auntie, don't worry. I'll talk to him.
Please.
Those girls are devils.
Abba. Huh?
Auntie, I even suspect they've contracted the HIV virus.
Pastor.
They hop from man to man.
And this is what Fokojo wants for her daughter.
But, Auntie, why is he trying to force Charlotte into it?
I don't know. I can't understand it.
Auntie, where is he?
He's in the room.
Give me a minute, I'll talk to him.
Please, I beg you, talk to him.
Yes, I'm coming.
Papa, good morning.
Oh, Pastor. I thought you were already in church. It's in progress?
Yes, I'm getting myself ready to go.
Oh, okay.
Papa, please, can you spare me a few minutes of your time? I want to have an important discussion with you.
Discussion with me?
Yes.
I'm sure my wife has been talking to you. And it's all about Charlotte, isn't it?
Yes, Papa, it's about her. Papa, your stand in this case is not good enough. In fact, it is wrong to compare Charlotte with those girls.
Why?
Papa, those girls are more or less like prostitutes. And, Papa, they change men like clothes. And see, decent girls don't associate themselves with them.
What makes them indecent?
Oh.
Don't you see the way they dress? Isn't it decent? Huh? Well, I don't see anything wrong.
The Bible says in 1 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 16 that your body is the temple of God. And anyone who destroys the body, God will destroy him.
I know.
See, just look at these girls. Their lifestyle tells you that they've contracted the HIV virus.
I know. HIV or no HIV, she will be with them.
Papa. No. Papa, think about it seriously.
Pastor, I'm getting ready to go to church. Thank you.
Papa, please.
Look, I am beginning to feel that it's real.
Why?
I watched a documentary on TV, It was terrible.
So what are you implying?
We must be very, very careful.
As for me, if it's not on, it is definitely not in.
You what? HIV or no HIV, life must go on. Because it cannot survive in bodies like ours. Yes. Have you ever seen any rich person who has been attacked by HIV? It's a disease for the poor.
That is why I date responsible men.
Hey, responsible. Well. On my part, it is money. If you can afford the price, that is not my problem. If you're destined to have HIV, I swear, you wear metal condom, you have it.
Of course!
Should I imagine that? So,
I believe that.
Believe what? Listen to her.
Metal condom, you so have it.
Yeah, fine. Are we to drink to our health or? Unfortunately. But what I know is, HIV or no HIV, life must go on.
Life must go on.
So.
Very good. Are you sure? Thank you.
Dennis, where did you get the money you gave me?
Where I got the money from does not matter to you. All you need to know is I give you money.
I know, but sometimes I become afraid, you know.
You don't need to be afraid of anything. You know, the MP for this constituency is my uncle. And he's been giving me all the money I give to you.
But you've never mentioned this to me before. Is the MP your uncle?
Yeah. Aren't you lucky?
Yeah. But you know. Okay. If you say so. If you say so.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Venice, how's it?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, you're looking so smashy.
Thank you.
Venice. So, who's that guy?
Oh, Sonny, he's my cousin. My mother sent him from the village to deliver a message.
Oh, from the village, eh? Oh, that's good. Let's see.
Sonny, please come. Yeah, I want him to meet you.
Oh, okay. You're looking so good.
Sonny, meet Honorable Johnson, the MP for this constituency.
Yeah.
Honorable Johnson, meet Sonny.
Sonny, how are you?
Oh, fine, sir.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
you're a nice boy.
Yeah.
Okay, Sonny, I'll be with you soon, okay?
Hey, Venice, where do you think you're going? Hey, come down from the fucking car, come down. What's going on? First thing tomorrow morning, first thing, I'm going to deal with you. Fuck you.
So, Pastor, if
there is voluntary testing for HIV. Will you go for it?
Why not? He who has no skeletons in his wardrobe is not afraid to open it. Of course, I'll go for it.
What about if you tested HIV positive? What will you go do?
That's impossible. I mean, highly impossible. My wife and I were virgins before we got married. And since then, I've never had an affair with any woman apart from her.
Look, Pastor, you can't be sure like that. Eh? Okay, what about if your wife has been having an affair that you don't know?
Stop it. My wife would never and ever do that. She's a decent woman.
Really?
Now tell me, which of you will go for voluntary test?
Pastor voluntary testing?
Yes.
That would be suicidal.
Why?
Me, I will never do that.
Usro.
Pastor, what about if the lab technicians them make mistake and swap on the blood with some bombo clot HIV patient them and tell on HIV positive?
Hey, what's your mama?
Pastor, let me tell you, if voluntary testing will ensure my entry to heaven, then please, I beg you, let's forget about it, because I and us will never go for it.
Ah.
Voluntary testing my foot.
Oh, you guys. What's your mama?
Don't go there. Pastor, this no be home.
I don't think so. Why are you so moody at this time of the day? Or do you need some money?
How could you do this thing to me? Didn't you tell me that MP is your uncle?
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So
Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Kokosa jifa wudi me panyin che. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo krome ma to pre. Ena kwesi krome kokkodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo jira ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no be che wo krache. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow.